The following stunts were performed by pros. Please do not attempt to recreate or reenact the stunts performed in this video.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win.
How long is it? Alright, so right now we're measuring out the car so that this ramp is the proper size for it. And then we're gonna disengage the airbags on it so that they don't explode in my face. Which they still might. We're just not 100% sure yet. Thing's loud. Unlock. But weight reduction already started. Oh wow, look at that beast. Fuck, we got parts just hanging. Alright, well, I guess we can get rid of that. Now, I know I put a disclaimer at the beginning of this video, but I really want to stress enough, guys. We are going to take lots of safety precautions. We're trained professionals. We're getting water, garden hose, fire extinguishers. I'm wearing a helmet, mouth guard, all the safety gear. And so do as I say, not as I do. We're gonna mark out the jump. We're gonna put some paint marks here on the ground. Al's gonna use the Komatsu 450 500 to build the ramp. We're gonna use just some of our clean fill here. I was originally going to do it so that I was going to launch up onto here and then land on top of the pile. But then I got thinking, okay, if I jump and then something like liquids or fluids come out, at least if it's down here, I can put Zorball down or scrape up all the dirt and get rid of it. Whereas if it's in that clean fill pile, I don't want to contaminate any soil. So why we're doing this, as we're kind of setting this up, is because we hit 2,000 Instagram followers, and this, like the finished product video with like the proper music to it, I can't use the music I'm using on Instagram and YouTube because I'll get copyright claimed. But yeah, we hit 2,000 Instagram followers, and that's why we're doing this. For the 1,000 Instagram followers, I dumped a big bucket of water on my head with the shovel. All that stuff's on our Instagram at KWC2000. Is there paint? I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna scoot. I was driving yesterday. I'm gonna come around this corner. I'm gonna first gear it, probably shift a second here, then just pin it, and then just send it. I think if we started it here, right? If I come around the corner.
Yeah. Should give you enough to start with. So there's the start line.
Yeah.
And then I'll go length of the car.
Okay, so then how much of a gap?
Hey?
Yeah, I'd say there.
8 feet?
Yeah, you think I can do 8 feet?
Oh yeah.
All right,
You're doing at least 40, 50K.
If I'm leaving all of this in because it's hilarious. Just listen to Al. He's loving it. That's exactly who I need. Somebody's like, you think I can do 8 feet? Oh yeah, bud, for sure. I love that.
Sing all my melodies.
So there's the start of it. That's the end of it. You know, I don't know what it looks like on the camera, but it looks pretty big. Like it is, that's gonna be a good little jaunt. But Al's gonna hop in the skid steer now and just kind of make it nice and perfect.
Yeah, because we were sitting over there on the outside of the car on the angle.
Yeah,
I'd rather you hit it completely flat and straight.
I agree. All right, get some shots of the skid steer making the ramp. All right, well, here's the big jump. Subscribe. Basically, we just finished building it. Gabby's here. Gabby got me a text through yesterday in our text conversation. Gonna come around here, hopefully hit around 50K. Up, launch it, and land. Steph doesn't think that I'm gonna make it. Everyone's a little worried. I'm not worried. So I'll come up here, go, and launch. Then we got these little sparklers. Now the fireworks I would normally do, like I would like to do like ones that launch up, but it's been so dry. We haven't had rain in like 2 weeks. So I don't want to obviously start any fires. And there's a burn ban, and I even think it's illegal to light off fireworks right now. So we just got ground sparklers. But this is where it's gonna ramp. So I'll have the GoPro in with me. That'll be filming, and then I'll have the drone in the air. All right, so we'll get all these cameras mounted up. I'll get all my stuff on, and we're good to go. All right, let's do it. Even that bad, but here's what I'm going to suggest. If this video gets 300 likes, I will make the ramp 4 times bigger and jump it with more speed, more height, more length, more fireworks, more pyro, everything. So smash that like button. You get 300 likes, we'll beef this up a little bit. All right, guys, so I know that I even felt a little bit weird making that. I was like, okay, is this something that I should really post on the channel? But you know what, why not? I can post whatever I want on YouTube. That's the whole idea behind making creative content. There was a little bit of skid steer and loader operator stuff going on in this video. So if you watched the entire video, guys, thank you. I want you guys to have an awesome weekend. I'm probably uploading this today, Saturday, so hopefully your Saturday is going awesome. Make sure to tell your friends to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up so we do hit that 300 likes. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watched the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, send it. Because we sent it today in that Volvo and my girlfriend's station wagon. So comment down below, send it. If you watched the entire video, I appreciate it. Thanks you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.